Guys, look at all these custom app icons and it works so good. Like no shortcuts. What's going on, guys? Shevon here, back with a new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get these themes onto your iPhones that has no shortcut animations. So you guys remember the old way how we used to do this, right? You open an app, for example, let's say we open Reddit. You see it goes to the shortcut app. It's not that smooth. Well, today I have good news for you guys because there's a new way, but there's a caveat. You need to be on iOS 14.3 for this to work. I'm currently on the beta. I'll show you guys how to download the beta. I have a link in the description showing you guys. But before we jump into the tutorial, I want to give a huge thanks to Raid Shadow Legends for sponsoring today's video. Have you ever dreamed of having a truly amazing AAA quality game right inside your pockets? Something you could dive into and play anytime you want? Well, today we have this. Raid Shadow Legends. Raid Shadow Legends has over 500 champions to collect, each with their own unique skill trees, millions of artifacts to find and equip. No two champions will never be the same, which I really like. It's always something fresh, always something new. That makes for literally trillions of ways to build teams, crazy depth you could go in, endless strategies to figure out. So personally for me, what I like about Raid Shadow Legends is how good the attention to detail is, and the fact that when you add more friends, you could start to build your own clan, your own team to claim that glory in the PvP arena. I also like that I don't have to be glued to the game. I could turn on the multi-battle auto mode and it will run fights in simulation, so I could be editing a video while I'm racking up them wins. But what's new in Raid? So Raid Shadow Legends just released the Artifact Forge, where you could save time and craft artifacts directly, as well as a whole new advanced quest system with amazing rewards. And that's not all. They also brought out some amazing new champions, and they're developing some amazing looking Doom Towers as we speak. So what are you waiting on? Go to the video description, click the link, the special link, and if you're a new player, you will get 100,000 silver plus a free champion called Grumbler, and he's sick. So yes guys, if you don't already have Raid Shadow Legends, all this new treasure will be awaiting for you here. So good luck to you guys, and I'll see you on the battlefield. Let's go. The rewards will only be available for the next 30 days, and it's only for new players, so make sure you guys click the special link in the video description. And thank you Raid Shadow Legends for sponsoring today's video. Alright guys, so all we need to do, of course, is go to the App Store, search for this app called Moloko, and this app is what has tons of themes on it where we could literally just install from one tap. So as I said before, this only works on iOS 14.3. So if you guys have anything below iOS 14.3, it will not work for now. So I'm just making this video in advance for when that iOS 14.3 drops. We'll be good to go. So now we'll be able to browse all of these themes and install them from one tap. I'm literally not sure what to go with, but I kind of like this. This one right here looks nice. Download. You want to hit allow. Go to your settings. Profile downloaded. Hit install. Enter your passcode if you have one. Install again. Done. And boom. There we go. We have all of the apps on our iPhone, and it works. Like, look, settings, jumps into settings, photos, jumps into photos, clock, jumps into clock. Like, there's no more shortcuts or anything like that, and this is true iOS theming. So as you guys can see as well, we still have all of our app icons on this side. So what you could do is just go ahead and start moving them to the app library. So just hit remove app, move to the app library. But for the sake of this video and time, I will not do that. Another thing you guys can do is hide your pages. So if you click these three dots here, I could hide all these pages and then work with like a new setup right here. So boom, this would be only the pages I have. So I could start an entire new setup just like this. And if I wanted to change that, I could go back to the app and find a new theme. So there's tons of themes here, as I mentioned before. This red theme, same procedure, hit download, do the same thing over again. Boom, there we go. Now we have a red theme. And these work just like we'd expect as well. So as I said before, just move these applications out the way and you could start theming your device. But yeah, that's a pretty quick video. Alright guys, if you enjoyed that video, don't forget to drop a like, comment down below what you think. If you have any questions, drop them down below as well, and I'll try to get to you guys as soon as possible. As always, love, peace, and tweaks. Signing out.